Hello, good morning everybody. It's Monday morning here in Narberth. I'm Wendy from Wendy's Craft Den and I'm here with another unboxing, and this is from the mycraft.com, www.mycraft.com. And I do love doing my unboxing because I love sharing what I've received in the post and what I'm going to do with it. So I haven't opened this yet, only just put down the size, but as you can see, I don't think this would come undone in a hurry. Well, it took me a knife to get into it. Right then, now then. Oh, I'm not getting excited about these, but I have got a use for those. So I've got oh, there's another thing I've got to say. On the front of the box, I've got this. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be cutting that out so I can mount this on a piece of card. So when I'm doing any of the Minecraft tutorials, then I can have that next to me, so everybody will know where I get my stuff from. Now then, here we go again. What have we got here? Laser Load Love. Oh, look at these. Oh, I love owls. Look at them. Owls in purple. There we are. And butterflies. That's me sorted for the day. And then you've got the... Hold on. Got that the wrong way round. You've got lovely black and white there. You can use that as a, on the side of your cards. Or if you cut it into, say, what, about 1.5 maybe centimetres, you could use it on the inside of, on your liner. Oh, yes, now I bought this because I've never used these. And I got some the other day as well, so I'm going to have to be looking to see how to use these. But, I mean, they look beautiful, don't they? Oh, look at this. Oh, I didn't notice that. Oh, they're two different ones. So I will be searching YouTube. Oh, it's closed now. Be searching YouTube later on to find out what I can do with them. Right, to put them back in. Ooh. There's nothing else in the box, so I will leave the box tied by my desk, and I will. Where's the edge? Oh, you realise I've ordered this much? Never mind, it all gets used again. If you've got sticky, turn it over, please, because you can imagine if I want to pull this out, that's sticky. It's like a magnet to paper. It'll just stick to the paper and then you lose the lovely papers. Oh, this is beautiful, isn't it? Look at these. And again, you've got that script that you can't read. So I'm quite happy with that. And this one's by Scrap Boys. So, Scrap Boys from the Romantic Soul collection. And... these could be used, if you've got a very big card, then you could comfortably fit that on the card. Or if you're doing scrapbooking, you could maybe cut this in quarters if you're very careful. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, look at these. Now, these are crying out for a journal, I think. And again, it's Scrap Boys from Romantic Soul. What's on the other end? Wood. Sorry, I didn't look what's this. On the other end of that, we've got stripes and flowers. And then on the other end of that, we've got the green. Fresh Summer, Lemon Craft Fresh Summer number 6. So that's those ones. Come on, get off. Ooh. Now this is crying out for a scrapbook page. I think what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to buy a 12 by 12 and make a scrapbook up, I think, so I could use all these papers. Oh, this is lovely, isn't it? A little bit of lace, but a little bit of fades. I don't know if it's the right thing. Would that be shabby chic? I'm not sure, but it's pretty. I've got a friend who loves blue, so she will love these papers. they actually managed to get out of my room, out of my den, into the great unknown out there. This is scrap 8. I can remember where I am. Scrap 8, and it's the old league, and I can't pronounce that, I'm sorry. Distant memories. If I turn it round, Wendy, you can see it on the other side. Yes, the same here. Got beautiful flowers. And oh, look at this. Ooh! And that is beautiful. Yes, like I said, on the reverse of the papers, you've got it in English, scrap 8, and it's distant memories. Now, I like this as well because I've got loads of old dictionaries, and I've been wanting to use them in something like this, but I've been feeling very nervous about doing it. So I might give it a go and put a bit of tea staining in and use them like that. That's again the scrap 8 distant memories. Ooh, ooh! Imagine a nice big flower in the middle of that as a cover. If you're doing a journal, have that as your front cover, obviously outside cover, and then a big flower in the middle. That is exciting. And this side you've got all these little ones that can be fussy cutted. Fussy cutted? Yes, I think that's a word. And here we go again. These are all from distant memories. The scrap 8. Now this, you see, you could cut that down and use that as a border. Cut that out, and that could be used like a mat. Because the same up here. And what's on the other side? This is exactly the same. Because sometimes, you know, if you're using a paper like this as a mat, it could distract your eyes from the main image. But if you use something like this, which is nice and subtle, then it won't. And this is another one then. It's beautiful thing to cut out. And again, that lovely muted background. And it seems like I've got 2 of these, which is brilliant. And I think, yes, looking at these on the outside, I don't really need to open it. But I've got all these papers are exactly the same as what I've just showed you. And here's another one. So I've got a lot of glue to use up, and I've got a lot of ideas. Some of these, what I'm hoping to do later on today for you is, remember that piece of packing I used to, well, it looked like a journal. Well, what I'm hoping to do today is, I'm hoping to get started with it. And these blues, they will be perfect. So look forward to seeing what you think of these, and look forward to bringing you another video of my silliness. Thank you. Be happy, everybody. Bye. See you later.